Now, I guess you might be wondering, how am I going to remove the background of this picture and still maintain all the details of the hair? It seems impossible, right? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove the background of this picture and still maintain all the details of the hair. You ready?
Nice.
Let's get right to it. Alright, so first let's click on the background eraser tool. So this is the background eraser tool. You right click on it, then you click on the background eraser tool. So next you click on this, then you click on this and you select discontinuous, this one. Alright, then make sure you set the tolerance to 57. Okay, I think 57 is okay. Okay, so when you right click on an empty space, you can increase or decrease the size of the brush depending on the area you want to remove. So let's right click on an empty space and you can either increase or decrease the size of the brush. So let's increase the size of our brush. Okay, so now let's get rid of the background. Okay, so now let's start painting on the area we want to remove. And remember, don't release the mouse button until you are done. Okay, so now let's select the magic wand, click on the remaining area and delete it. So let's click on the magic wand tool. So you right click on this tool and select the magic wand tool. So now let's select the remaining area. Select this one and this one, add this one too, and hit the delete button. Alright, so what we are going to do now is we are going to give this subject, or we are going to give this picture a background color. When you see these check boxes, it means that this area or this space is empty. So we are going to replace this empty area with what? With a background color. So what we are going to do now is we will go to the down here and we are going to click on this icon. So you click on it and you are going to get these options. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the solid color. And when you click on it, you are going to get this color picker and you are going to get a bunch of colors that you can choose or you can pick over here. But I'm going to select a white color, so I'll click on the white color and you are going to get this color. But of course, you can select any color you want from these color options. So I'll go with the white color. Then when you are done, you click on OK. Now we have our background color here and we have our subject over here. So the background color is in front and the subject is at the back. So we have to bring our subject to the front so that the subject will be in front and the background will be behind our subject. So what we are going to do now is we are going to click on the subject and we are going to click and drag the subject to the top, or the picture to the top, so that the picture will be in front and the background will be behind our subject. And this is very simple. So now we have our background color and we have our picture with the background removed. So you can change this color to any color of your choice and you are still going to get this beautiful picture over here with the hair intact, no hair loss. You're going to get every detail of the hair. Alright, so this is how you can successfully change or remove your background or this is how you can cut out hair in Photoshop to include all the details of the hair. So as you can see, we can see all the details of the hair. And you know, there are so many ways you can cut out hair in Photoshop to include all the details of the hair, as you can see over here. And I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show you all these tricks you can use. So make sure you follow my channel, make sure you watch all my videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions too, make sure you leave your questions down in the comment section and I'll get right to it. I'll see you guys in my next video.